飞船啊！这么表情，小朋友演出的。
Welcome to the Pool Amphitheater for High Flyers! Thank you! Now this afternoon, we are going to take all of you on a flight and journey through a colorful and wonderful world of birds. We hope you will leave the show feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired by all our feathered friends across the world. Now speaking of feathered friends, I'm very sure all of you have seen some chickens running across the stage, right? Well, those are our bantam chickens. Okay, so with that, we have one more chicken joining us. That will be a rooster, so everyone, keep your eyes on that hut. Let's welcome Chucky, our bantam rooster. Hi Chucky, are you right there? Come on. And hey, oops. You missed my hand, Chucky, but it's okay. Now, many of us think that chickens cannot fly, but that's not true. Chucky here has proven us otherwise. Okay, Chucky, you can go back all the way home. All right, let's continue with the show. Now, let's highlight the natural behaviors of macaws. Macaws in the wild, they love to congregate on palm trees to feast on fruits and nuts. So right here we have a tree with fruits and nuts attached for our birds. So ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes right back there. Let's welcome Ferrari, our scarlet macaw. And joining him will be Lambo, another scarlet macaw. Now macaws like them, they can be found in the forests of South America. Now after eating these birds, they often fly to rocky areas such as this to lick up on clay or chalk. This will help them with the digestion of any unripe palm nuts or fruits that they have eaten. Now looks like Ferrari, both of them are still out there, but not to worry, this will definitely be the both of their next stop. Okay, so in a very short while, we will be having more birds joining us on stage. Oh, like what I said, hi Kelvin.
Hello.
Who's that?
This is Ippy. Ippy is Jurong Bird Park's Go Green for Wildlife Ambassador. Now he's so environmentally conscious that he only uses reusable cups, containers and utensils. Now imagine, Mitra, if you are a drink seller.
Oh, that's a very nice hat, thank you very much.
And you were to give Ippy a disposable plastic cup. Ippy will return it to you.
Okay, cup. This one?
Exactly like this one. Okay, watch this. Disposable plastic cup. Okay, Ippy, what must you do?
Is he going to return me the cup? Oh. Yes, he is returning me the cup.
You see,
well done.
I told you.
Good job,
Very
Ippy.
good, Ippy. Well done. Now this time you want to give him a reusable cup and you put in a plastic straw. Now Ippy will only return you the straw.
Okay, I have a cup and a straw. This one?
Exactly like this. Okay, watch this. Ippy, plastic straw and a reusable cup. What do you need to do?
Ooh, I think he's gonna return me the straw as well.
Aha, you see, I told you. Now get your video cameras ready because Ippy is going to show everyone how he drinks from a reusable cup. Get ready, watch this.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Yeah, he drinks straight from the cup. Now plastic has actually invaded our waters to the extent that there will be more plastic than fishes by the year 2050. In fact, plastic waste has killed over 1 million birds and animals every single year. That is why they're known as the deadliest monsters of our waters.
Oh no, that's an alarming rate fight these deadliest monsters by avoiding the use of single-use plastics. Just like EP, let's all avoid straws and bring along our very own reusable containers for utensils when we buy takeaway food or drinks. And when we go shopping, let's all bring along reusable bags instead of getting a new plastic bag, okay? So now it's time for the
Here's my bag.
No, we're not supposed to use a plastic bag. We're supposed to use a reusable bag.
Oh, okay.
This one.
Let me help you with that.
Oh, you
Okay.
can help
In
me.
goes the plastic.
And in goes the head. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's give Calvin and Ippy a round of applause. Thank you. Calvin, no. Don't go back first.
Oh,
You
okay.
forgot your bag.
Thank you.
No problem. Okay, so for the next act, we will be inviting two beautiful birds. So everyone, keep your eyes on that heart. Let's welcome our Toko toucans. Alright, we have two of them. There you go. Now, Toko toucans, they can be found in South America, just like the macaws, okay? Can we give our brave young volunteer a round of applause? Good job, young man. You're doing fine. Just keep calm. Stay calm. You're doing fine, okay? In a very short while, the birds will be making their way to our center volunteer. There you go. Now, despite having large beaks, these birds, they remain agile in flight. Okay, so they help demonstrate that. Saad will be tossing a fruit each for both the toucans, and let's see if they can catch it in mid-flight, okay? So the children at the back, can everyone sit down? Sit down, please, hands down, okay? Hands down. Thank you. Saad, ready? 1, 2, 3, up. Whoa, that's a good catch. Now for the other toucan, let's all count together, shall we? Come on. 1, 2, 3. Another perfect catch. Now let me introduce the both of them to you, okay? They are a very beautiful couple by the name of Mr. and Mrs. Axel, our husband and wife team. Now these two birds, they are very loyal to one another. When one goes, the other follows, okay? So I'm gonna leave the both of them on the stump right here. Okay, so Mrs. Axel, you lead the way. Mr. Axel, you follow. Our Toko toucans, everyone. Now, what differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds. They do this in the wild for social communication. The yellow-named Amazon parrot is famous for its ability to copy sounds, and we have one such bird today. So everyone, get your video cameras ready, and if you are taking pictures or videos, please turn off your flashlights, okay? Thank you. Hi. Oh, you want a handshake? That's very cute of you. Okay, come. Introduce yourself. Can you tell everyone here your name?
Pao Pao.
What's your name?
Pao Pao.
You heard that? His name is Pao Pao. Now, Pao Pao means baby or precious in Mandarin. We'll hear that one more time, okay? Pao Pao, you want to say your name again? What's your name?
Pao Pao.
Pao Pao is his name. Now, Pao Pao, before you start, you have something to tell everyone, right? What is it? You heard that? He says, shh. He wants everyone to remain silent so that all of you can hear Pao Pao loud and clear. Okay, so Pao Pao, what's the first sound? You heard that? That's the sound of someone knocking on the door. And when someone knocks on the door, what do you ask? Who is it, Pao Pao? I think I know who is it. It's your friendly neighbor, the dog. Is it a dog? It sounds more like a cute little puppy, right? Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's move on to high-tech sounds. Okay, Pao Pao, what sound is this? That's the sound of a ringing telephone, and when the phone rings, you pick it up. What do you say? Hello, right? Papa say hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Can we give him some encouragement, everyone? Good job. Now let's move on, okay? Let's move on on to human sounds. Sounds that you and I make. So when we are sad, what do? We cry, right? So Papa, can you show them how you cry? Cry. Aww, what a sad bird. I'm going to cheer Pao Pao up by tickling him. I think he's afraid of tickles, and when he's really very happy, he would do his happy dance. Come, show them your happy dance. Round and round you. Come on, one more round. Okay, you can stop there. Now, Papa is learning how to sing one line of the birthday song. Okay, so by any chance, is there anyone celebrating your birthday today? Come on, raise up your hands. Don't be shy. Okay, let me stop people on this side. Birthdays. So many of you. Okay, for the people on this side. Okay, we have one baby there. Okay, so baby, and then. Okay, so I assume everyone in the middle section celebrating a birthday. Okay, the kids here as well. Okay, so for those of you who raised up your hands, and for the little baby right there, Papa is going to sing you one line of the birthday song. Okay, are you ready, Papa? Hey, Papa. That was a bit too fast, Papa. Can we do it slowly? We'll sing together, okay? Come. Happy birthday to you. Okay, one more time. Happy birthday to you on your own. Happy birthday to you, and thank you so much for celebrating your birthdays right here in the Jurong Bird Park. Now it's time for Papa to head back home, and before he goes back, he has something very nice and sweet to tell everyone right here. What is it?
I love you.
Oh, we all love you too, Papa. Now can we all wave and say bye-bye, Papa? Look at him waving.
Bye-bye.
Last one?
Bye-bye.
There you have it, everyone. Papa, our yellow-necked Amazon parrot. Now, after hearing Papa perform, you might be tempted to get yourself a pet parrot. But please do know that these birds, they require a lot of time and commitment. Certain species can even outlive us, so please bear that in mind before you get yourself a pet parrot. Now the next two birds joining us are hornbills, and they are going to show us how loving they can be. So everyone, keep your eyes right there. Let's welcome Pepper, our Papuan Reef hornbill. Hello Pepper, good afternoon. Now, Papuan Reef hornbills like Pepper, they can be found in Asia, okay? Whereby hornbills in general, they can be found in two continents of the world, Africa and Asia. Now, when the female hornbills wants to nest, they will look for holes or cavities in trees. Okay, now can you see the nest box right there? That nest box is similar to the nest boxes that we give our birds right here in the bird park. Now Pepper and myself will be coming up the flight of stairs. Again, for those of you seated on my right and left, do not touch the birds, okay? Or do not make any fast movements, and it may startle Pepper, okay? You ready, Pepper? Let's go. Hello. Okay, a few steps higher. Remember, do not touch the bird, okay? So the people at the top can have a closer look at her. Beautiful, isn't she? Okay, Pepper, you can spread your wings, and before you fly high, so I need you to sit down. Sit down, please. Sit down, yes. Thank you very much. Pepper, you can go check your nest box out. Go. Okay, so what she's doing right now is she is inspecting her nest box, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. Okay, let's just give her some time. Okay, Pepper, if you like it, you go inside. In she goes. Once inside, she will then seal herself in using soil, regurgitated food, or even her own droppings. So Pepper, if you like your nest box, you can seal it up now. Ooh. Pepper is still inside. There she is. Now everyone, keep your eyes right back there. Let's welcome Sunny, a hornbills are in the nest, the male will then go out to look for food to feed. And these will take up to 3 or 4 months. Now in the Jurong Bird Park, we have been successful in breeding Oriental pied hornbills, and thanks to your contributions to the Conservation Fund, we have successfully released some of them into nature reserves in Singapore as well as right here in the Bird Park. So after the show, just look out, you might spot some free flying Oriental pied hornbills, okay? Oh, hi sir! Now Sunny is here to call Sunny down in a very short while. Sunny will be making another flight all the way down on stage, so everyone, check out his huge wingspan, okay? Let's just give him a little bit more time. Sunny, you ready? Come on, turn around. Saat's waiting for you. Whoa, look at that. Uh-oh, Sunny. Saat is on stage, Sunny. You're supposed to fly on stage. Come on, take another flight down to Saat. And a touchdown! Sunny, our great white hornbill, everyone! Ah, very nice music. Now comes the time to simply enjoy the bird's flight. If you want to volunteer, we have trainers coming up to your section, okay? We have Daria on this side. In the middle, we have Diana. And on my right, we have Zul. So get their attention, not mine, okay? Now in a very short while, we will be joined by 2 beautiful macaws, Vega and Kaya. So right here, we have Vega. Kaya will be joining us in a very short while. Now look at their wings as they fly past you. These allows them to fly through the dense vegetations or trees and branches in the rainforest of South America. Unfortunately, their wild friends are losing their homes at a rate of 1 football field per day due to human development. Now, we can all help fight this by simply using second-hand or recycled products so that less of their forest homes won't be destroyed. Okay, so looks like our volunteers are ready, and off goes Kaya! And off goes Vega! There you go! Beautiful flights by Vega and Kaya! Now with powerful wing flaps, long tail feathers and sharp eyesight. These allows them to be maneuverable while flying. This time the birds are going to take off from both the ends of the stage, okay, and try to meet each other at that center customized hoop. Okay, so center volunteer, you have to keep your hoop straight and steady, okay? Alright, volunteers ready? Kaya ready? No, not yet. A little bit more instructions. There you go. Okay. Ready? Alright. Now count on 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow! We did it! Thank you very much, Kaya and Sheena. Thank you. Now, good job, Vega. Now, Vega's gonna fly solo this time, okay? And for that, Diana, he's gonna fly one more time. Why you put down the hook? Something inside the bag? Can I see what's inside the bag? Wow, okay, that's a really very small hook. Now, Diana's pretty confident because macaws, they have streamlined bodies, alright, and this allows them to fly through the dense vegetations of the rainforest to escape from potential dangers or predators. Okay? Everyone? Vega needs to focus. Okay? Let's just wait for our center volunteer. A little bit more higher. Yeah. Yes, that's right. Okay? Vega, ready? Go. Wow! He did it! Can we give Vega another round of applause, everyone? I think he did short while we will be joined by more birds on stage. Now birds, they often gather food for their young, especially during nesting seasons. Okay, we're going to have a little competition right now to see who is faster at gathering fruits, and they need supporters. Okay, so people from this side to this side, you will support Zonda, our blue and yellow macaw. So I need everyone right here to clap your hands and cheer for Zonda, just like this. Come on, Zonda, Zonda, louder. Okay, you guys can do much better than that, alright? Okay, oh, I stand a shelter, alright. People on this side, you will support Barry, our green-winged macaw. Same thing, louder than them. Come on, Barry, Barry. Wow, good cheering. Now birds to the table. So right here with me, I have a hollow tree trunk where these two birds will be gathering 4 fruits each, okay? So supporters, are you ready? I can't hear you, come on! Okay, birds ready, let's go! Now tell me who's the winner! Donna! Well done, Donna, good job! What happened to Barry Saad? Oh, he put the blame on you guys. He says you guys are not loud enough. Okay, so what do you want now? You heard that? He wants one more game. Let me ask everyone else, okay? Shall we have one more game? Yes? Okay, one more game it shall be, but Barry supporters, you have to be very, very loud this time, okay? So 4 fruits on each side of the table. Supporters ready? Birds ready? Let's go! But the true blue champion this afternoon is Barry! Sorry, Zonda! Okay, good job. He's not happy. So what now, Saad? What happened now? It's okay, we all know that Barry here has tried his very best. So let's give a round of applause for Barry and Zonda, our fruit collecting macaws. Thank you. Now in a very short while, we will be having our grand finale. So don't go anywhere just yet. I'm sure the birds would have amazed you, and some of them made you laugh as well. But please do not forget the bird conservation champions that you have met today. We can all help these birds by simply choosing the paper or wood that we buy comes from recycled sources. Remember, you and I, we have the power to choose what we buy. So let's make the right choice and make a difference for all our feathered friends today. Now looks like we are all set to go. Now ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for our grand finale, we are going to have lots of birds on stage, so let's get started. First up from Africa, we have our great white pelicans. And now from Eastern Europe, let's welcome our Dalmatian pelicans. Come on over here, guys. And now back to Africa, the birds with their sexy long legs, also known as the supermodels of the world, our greater flamingos. And finally from South America, let's welcome our beautiful and colorful macaws coming from up there of our birds in a very short while, okay? We will be having a photography session happening right after this with another group of flamingos. So if you're interested in that, do stay on. I will give you more details, okay? And if you want to bring home plush toys, my colleague up there is selling them at a very special price. So do check them out later. And lastly, on behalf of our sponsor, the Singapore Press Holdings Foundation, continue to have a wonderful day right here at the Bird Park. Before you leave, take a look around you and bring all your belongings with you. Thank you and bye-bye! Now ladies and gentlemen, the next show happening in the Bird Park will be the Kings of the Sky show. That's at 4 p.m. at the Hawk Arena. Once again, next show of the day and the last show of the day will be